Hi, I'm Dr. Wallace. I'm going to doctor you up some coffee today. One of the things I'd notice is there's a lot of people, they go into the supermarkets and they go into, Dunkin' Donuts and Starbucks, and where I used to live out west, they had these little shacks around town. You could pull your car up to a little shack with the drive-through, and they'd make you a latte, cappuccino, whatever you wanted. And people will spend anywhere from almost $3 to more than $5 for some of those drinks. With the double, triple shots of espresso and all that, and the flavorings and everything, it could be $5 or $6 for a medium drink, or a large drink even more. But if you go to the supermarket, you can get them for $3. And if you buy one of those every day for a month, that's $3 times 30, that's $90. If you buy two, that's $180. If you and your wife or your husband drink two every day, or your boyfriend and girlfriend, that's $180 you spend. If you bought two each, then it's more like $360. And I'm going to show you a way where you can get a nice iced coffee milk for more like a lot less. If you buy a gallon of milk, that's 128 ounces, right? And 128 ounces, you could divide that up. If you made like 12-ounce glasses, that's 10 cups, right? So you get 10 cups for, here milk is around $2.50 right now, right out here. And it's a lost leader sometimes. They get you in the store with the cheap price and you buy other things. But $2.50, $3 out west, it's probably more expensive where the rich people live. But I live in Florida, and at $3 a gallon, you can make 10 cups. That's 30 cents a cup for milk. And I bought a $5 or $6 thing of classic roast instant coffee, which is 8 ounces, and you might make 30 servings of that for $6. So that's 20 cents a serving or something. And you're going to use 2 or 3 servings per cup to jazz it up and make a real strong coffee. Now, I'm going to show you how to do this. It takes just a few minutes. All you do is you get 2 or 3 heaping tablespoons of coffee and put it in the bottom of a cup with a little bit of water. And I'm going to use stevia, which is a sugar-free sweetener. It's going to be good for those people who have diabetes, or people worried about cirrhosis. A lot of sugar can contribute to cirrhosis of the liver. They get too much fat and sugar, and it attack that liver, and you don't want to die from liver disease. Cirrhosis is scarring around the liver, and once it gets scarred around the liver, you're not going to be good, because you can't reverse that. As long as you don't have cirrhosis, you can reduce it by reducing your weight a lot of times, especially if you have that midsection weight that people get. So what you do, put a couple spoonfuls in the cup, and then the stevia, and a tiny bit of water in the bottom of the cup, about an inch or 3/4 of an inch, and then put it in the microwave for about 35 seconds, and then fill up the cup with milk and ice, and stir it around, and that's your coffee. The reason you put the sugar and the coffee in first is because you want to heat that up together so it'll go into solution real well. If you don't, you'll have problems. So let me see if I can turn this around and show you. I'm going to show you how to do it I'm gonna have to turn the camera off, and I'll make part 2 is where I'll show you how to do it.